There he is. Gazelle 61003.
Yeah. Right. Just up straight, keep your arms and legs in and enjoy the ride.
Thank you. Gonna get ready.
Knows it.
Yeah.
I know the rules.
You know the rules.
Sit back and enjoy, and stupidly enjoy the trip.
Stupidly, yes.
You could stupidly enjoy it endlessly and enormously, don't you think? Well, enjoying it enormously and stupidly is most fun.
That's when things go wrong.
Yes.
You may stupidly enjoy it, but not enjoy it stupidly, because that's when things go wrong.
Not too stupidly, because that's when things go wrong.
Yes, exactly.
But if you enjoy, yes.
What are you doing on another man's train?
On another man's train? I'm only taking a video. I didn't cause any crimes.
I feel completely let down by your abandonment.
Well, I didn't do anything, did I? What? What did I do? I didn't do anything. I didn't do Very nice. There's the volunteers. Hello. Hello.
Hello there.
Hello. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hello.
Hello there.
You're looking well.
Thank you.
Feeling the cold again as usual.
Not too bad. It's quite nice today.
You've got nearly as many layers as I do today. So we both feel it as much as each other.
That's right.
Yeah. Never mind though.